soothe your pain.
Hey guys, okay, so first off we're going to take the 35B Morphe palette and we're going to use Play It Cool and just pop that into our crease. Next up, we're going to use Peachy Keen and try and layer that on top of the Play It Cool color. Same exact placement. Keep blending. Now we're going to go back in with Play It Cool and we're going to try and blend out those edges with that color. Now we're going to go in with our Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to use Silk Cream to try and lighten it up a little bit more towards the brow bone. Now we're going to go in with Talk Dirty and we're going to use that in our outer corners. Try and deepen up the crease because we're going to do a cut crease. Keep blending because this is edited, so I blended way longer than it looks. Now we're going to use my Tarte Shape Tape and we're going to use an NYX kind of detailed brush to cut our crease. Now this shade is called Electric Mint. It's by Give Me Glow Cosmetics and I am obsessed with this shade. We're going to use that as our lid shade. Use your finger to kind of blend it out a little bit. You're going to want to use a small brush that you can get up into that crease. Next, we're going to go in with Puffs from the Douce Palette. Now I'm going to take Zulu from the Masquerade palette and try and deepen up our crease a little bit more and blend out those edges. And next we're going to take Mally from that same palette. We're going to use that on our waterline. We're going to blend that out with Zulu and try and smoke out our lash line with that color. And then we're going to use Tarte from the Douce palette as our inner corner and brow bone highlight. Next up, I'm going to take my Lash Paradise mascara and use that on my bottom lashes. Okay, so here's our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.